Hello guys, I am here with new video. In this video I will give you the full information of Marcelito Pomoy that you know about him. He is the Filipino singer. He he can sing voice of girl and boy same time. In this video you can see the full information about him. He is the grand winner of second singing competition of Philippines. In days he is viral on YouTube because he joined America's Got Talent, that biggest singing competition of the world. So that's why he is viral in days on YouTube. If you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of my next video.